Hi everyone, it's Damien here from the Bowden Print Group with this week's Job of the Week. This week's winner is Kidsafe, and it's another car wrap that we've recently done. And this one here has been put together by Antonetta from Kidsafe. So we'll go straight into a couple of close-ups here. And as you can see, the branding from Kidsafe is really bright and colourful. So their design has complemented the car wrap perfectly. So we've done it around all sides there. As I said, the colours just work out really well with this. So a really good job to do again. So on behalf of everyone here at the Bowden Print Group, congratulations to Antonetta and her team from Kidsafe for this week's Job of the Week. We've uploaded this to our website, of course, a few more closer pictures to have a look at. Welcome your feedback and hope you're watching soon when we upload our next Job of the Week. Thanks a lot.